Hey guys. Hey guys, my name is Esther. This is my 350Z Coupe. And we do some mods today. First, we check the rims. Second is maybe checking the new seats and build the seats in. And third is I think we go get some drifting tonight. Because it rains and I'm crazy. So let's do some shit. So, long time ago, but now they go back in. I just don't know how to get them. They're carbon. They weigh like nothing. Driver seat. So, I love these. I really do. What we got here are OMP HTE-R carbon seats, known from race cars, probably. They are out of BMW M235, a cup car we got, and they're great. They weigh like nothing, so they're perfect, but they're stiff as shit. Yeah.
Everyone has challenges in their life every day. Some of them are small, but some of them are big, massive issues that can make or break you. But when you're a child, if you're lucky, you got your parents there to help and support you. But when you become an adult, you have to learn to cope with these things on your own. But we can always support each other. No matter what you're doing right now, working, chilling, walking down the street, driving your car, whatever. Listen to my words and hopefully they'll give you some strength. Now I know you can do it, and I know I can do it too. So support me, and I'll support you. I'm not going down without a fight.
Put in the center rings. Yeah. It's because
To center?
Yeah, to center the wheel on the car housing. Wheel hub. Like whatever. Oh, there's a bit of a problem with the brakes. A bit of a big problem. There is a problem. Ich brauche die anderen Distanzscheiben.
Die hässlichen.
Ja. The problem is, huh? Yeah. The problem is the wheel is too concave, so we touch the brake calipers. That's a bit bad, but we have these guys. They should make a little bit space. Yeah, let's try it. We're just gonna bend it.
Bend it?
Yeah, for sure.
A friend of mine has
we just have to bend it like in this angle, you know?
A friend of mine has this tool with the roller.
Yeah.
If you want it, I can get it.
I think I got it too anywhere, but like, you know, anywhere. But I fucking love this. So now the problem is done. We got much space. We got much space between the rim and the caliper. So it's Formula 2. And then I was like in the pit box.
Is Formula 2?
Send it.
Is it the ones that already look like the Formula 1?
Yes, exactly like Formula 1s. And then I was like, send it.
They allowed you to drive this shit.
Yeah. It was like insurance worth was like 12 million for the car.
And what was the amount of money you had to pay if you crash it?
Oh, I think 30k, 40k, like this. Yeah. And the test day in the Formula car cost like about 120k.
It's even with the crossbows. You have like 10k or something you need to pay.
But it's like every race car insurance is like you have to pay like 10, 15k if you crash a car. So that's typical amount of money in racing.
So you raced the Formula 2 car?
Yeah.
And then?
Yeah, and then I sounded like shit. I was like full throttle, and the engineer was like, "Hey, cold tires, cool down." I was like, "No, that's the only chance. Just let me drive.
Radio off."
And then my lap times was like, yeah, okay, 3 seconds off. But like 3 seconds off, and first time in car is great. So it was heavy.
3 seconds off a regular time.
Yeah, of a fast
That's
time.
pretty good for the first time.
Yeah, I thought that too, and the engineer was like, "Oh man, you're fucking crazy." Like you, no? Everyone sees me in a car is like, "Man, you're fucking crazy. Why are you doing this?" And I was like, I like it. I like cars. I like engines. So
if you're scared about driving, just go with him, and then you're not scared anymore.
Yeah, for sure. That's the point. All of my ex-girlfriends.
Same with dogs. If you're scared of dogs, you need to get a dog, and you're not scared of dogs anymore.
Same with my ex-girlfriend. My ex-girlfriend on my co-driver's seat is always like, "Oh my fucking god, what are you doing? What are you doing?" And when we sit like with a really, in my opinion, really crazy guy, she's like, "Oh, my boyfriend is even crazier. This is fun for me." Yeah, you're like, okay.
Roller coaster? No, that's no fun. It's too slow.
Yeah, roller coaster is too slow for us, so we do this shit. Okay. Hey, yes. What up? Alles fit?
Alles fit. Bei dir?
Easy, Digga. Oh, they're even wider. Kuri.
Alles klar.
Ja, Bro, bei dir? Oh. Oh, yes, I do. Love it.
Hey, was geht? Alles klar?
Ja, Mann, bei dir?
Auch so.
Servus.
Hi. Alles gut? This car gonna make trouble on the street.
Yes, it is.
It's gonna make trouble on the street. What I know. It's this car make too much fun. We drove last time on what was Saturday or Sunday? Saturday or Friday.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah. So we take this car and we make drift a little bit. It's make too much fun, you know. Yeah.
He's from Pakistan.
Yeah,
Did you guys know that there are no streets in Pakistan? I didn't know that. But he told me. Ali told me, you know?
We have everything there, bro.
Yeah, everything.
We have everything,
donkeys and
like everything. You
like
can.
fields. They got an airport.
Ugly woman.
Ugly woman? No front. No front.
That's not true.
But-
That's not true.
No, I don't even know.
Yeah, you see.
You know, you arrive at the airport,
I don't even
and then
know.
there are no cars, no streets,
Yeah.
and then Ali brings you like a donkey to get to his house.
Oh, no, bro. We have the everything. Like this guy play too much, you know. Every time when he see, he talk about some shit like that. So we have street there, bro. You can drive your Nissan.
Like in your forest, or where?
Oh, you can't park it because it's gonna be gone.
That's true. That's true. That's true. After 5
You can
minutes,
drive
you're
it,
never
but you
gonna
can't
see your
park it.
Nissan. No, after 5 minutes, you're never gonna see your Nissan again.
Are you gonna say-
Trust me.
You're gonna see it again 2 days later with a different color.
Not with different color. Only just some parts of the car, you know.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah, only just some parts. So.
Do you need a hood? Wait, was this my hood? No, it wasn't.
But it's green and your car is red. No, it's factory.
No, that's true. After 5 minutes, every time. So there's too much stories about car stolen. Yes.
Throw it. Woo! Yeah, grazie mille.
It's also.
Oh, because we just checked if the new rims fit, but they don't as planned. These ones, these bolts, doesn't fit with these ones. You see, doesn't work. And that's our problem, because we don't have enough for 4 tires, 2 axles. So we're just gonna put these spacers on the front axle, and now we're gonna see how it works. Because for drifting, the front axle is more important than the rear axle. So we need grip on the front axle. So, let's get the seats in. Now we remove the old electrical, you see, they're electrical, heated, but old leather seats out to take the new carbon in. Let's go. I think we need a 17. Yes, we do. We have 4 bolts, 2 on the left, 2 on the right, and that's it. A few electrical things, and we see. So, this bolt, limited edition, only in my car. Now we move the seat forward. The 2 last bolts are on the back. 2 hours later. Now, 2 on the back. And out so that we can remove the seat. The first thing is you have to plug out these electrical bullshit, which is a bit complicated, but shouldn't be too hard. So that's it. My airbag is also is already done. This is 2.1 ohm. And yeah, no problem. So now we can get the seat out. Okay, maybe we remove the head safety first. And now get the seat out. Now I'm removing the holder for the seat belt so that we can get it in our car too. So now we're ripping the cable off, everything, that we can get this. Come on. Okay, perfect. So now we get the cable for the seat, for the belt light. We put it aside and pull out the co-driver's seat. Then we can do this, 2 on the co-driver's side. Okay, so for now, co-driver's seat. Removal, also 4 bolts.
Bring me down, no it won't, no it won't. All I need is food and water and a place to call home. I can take to the sky like a bird on the wind. I deserve better things.
Co-driver seat, because it gets in here, like this. Why? Like this. Don't say a word to me.
Wieso?
The wrong way around.
Ganz ohne.
And what did I ask you? Nothing. No. I didn't get asked if it's the wrong way around. I didn't answer it. No, it works. Let's get the seat out just to kind of look at it. Hardest professional in the world. Here he comes. It wasn't the wrong way around.
The Chevy, right? So we built the thing so it could stand on its own, and then he was welding, and the thing dropped right here and burned a hole. So now it's Esti's asshole, and he even signed it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bro. That is awesome. I love this feeling. So, seat is in. Fits crazy. I like it. I really do. So people can be like, "Oh my god! Oh no! I'm a fat asshole. I hate myself. Oh god, I'm so fat. Now I have to lose weight because of my car. Just to fit in, but I love it. I do love it. Oh yeah, man. So. I love it. Performance is great of the car. Performance is really, really great. I like the seats. I like the wider tires. It's great.